Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to split screen quickly and easily on CapCut. So drag your two pieces of media, what you want to create a split screen on. So I'll say it's these two here. Bring it to the start. Then adjust the media to how you wish. Then select mask. And I like to choose the horizontal mask. As you can see, you can already see the workings of the split screen. Now, you can split the screen however you wish. So let's have it like that. Then when you press play, there you go. You've created a split screen as easy as that. So that's how to create a split screen on CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.